Now, let's move on to the Zoho Creator product's inventory management flags. Here, you'll decide whether the product is counted in inventory, tracked by serial number, or even returnable. Each flag gives you control over how the product is handled throughout its lifecycle. One of the key flags is whether the product is fabricable or assembled. This is important for products that need to be manufactured or built from other components. You'll also mark whether the product is sellable. Sometimes certain components of a kit are not sold individually but are tracked for assembly. You'll be able to distinguish those by leaving the sellable flag unchecked while keeping inventory tracking active. Finally, we have the sampling at reception flag. If a product requires quality checks upon receipt, you'll mark this box. This will trigger a checklist during the receiving process to ensure the product meets quality standards before being fully accepted into inventory. And now, let's move on to pricing. Averro Inventory automatically calculates the average cost based on the latest transactions. The last cost field records the most recent purchase price, and for the selling price, you'll manually input it. We'll explore how this price impacts other parts of the system, like sales orders, later on. Now, with the product created and vendors assigned, you're ready to move on to more advanced steps like creating a bill of materials or managing stock through the purchase and work orders. But for now, we'll keep it simple and focus on the core features.